In today's video, we discuss Stefano-Denjano rearrangement. It is a very important rearrangement in which ring expansion take place or uh, when the product is formed with one extra carbon atom. Let's see, it is a chemical rearrangement or reaction used to convert beta amino alcohol into ketone via diazotization. When your cyclic ketone is converted into homolog with an extra carbon atom. Here, in short trick or short formula, beta amino alcohol when treated with your nitric acid and sodium nitrate and HCl or acidic condition, it gives ketone. Let's see the reaction. This type of the question asked in examination. Here cyclic ketone is treated with hydrogen cyanide. This type of question asked in examination. Here your cyclopentanone is reacted with HCl, then question mark, then again lithium aluminum hydroxide, again question mark, and HNO2. Here your cyclopentanone is reacted with HCl, then this Cn will be attacked here O minus, then it will be formed the product like OH and Cn. Okay. After the reduction, what will be the happen? Sometimes this question for short note or sometimes this type of the example is given. Then what will be happen? After the reduction, your cyano group is reduced. Then it gives, what will be gives? OH, CH2, NH2. Okay, which is your beta amino alcohol. What is the name of? Or simply what will be the name of this product is 1-amino methyl cyclopentanol. Here we given beta amino alcohol or 1-amino methyl cyclopentanol. Then what will be the product? We know Stefano-Denjon rearrangement. Here cyclic ketone will be formed. Ring expansion take place. Okay, let's see the mechanism for this. In mechanism, first step is diazotization. Here our nitrous acid, okay, which is treated with H plus. Then what will be the product? Okay, this hydroxy group pick up this proton, then we get OH2 plus, which is good living group, which will be depart, and electrophile, nitrosonium electrophile will be obtained. Okay, electrophile means nitrogen carrying a positive charge. What is the name is nitrosonium. Okay, this electrophile will be treated with beta amino alcohol. Okay. Here, okay. Here, your nitrogen lone pair will be attack on electrophile. Okay. Then we get this type of moiety, which donate lone pair. So this nitrogen atom carrying a positive charge. It is neutralized by the part of this one hydrogen atom. After the depart of one hydrogen atom, what will be the next step? Then CH2 NH N double bond O. Then it again treated with HCl or H plus. This oxygen will be pick up the proton. Then we get CH2 NH N double bond O having a positive charge and on oxygen atom. Okay. Then after this positive charge will be neutralized by this bond will be break. This species is neutralized by formation of nitrogen double bond, and this nitrogen oxygen double bond will be break. Then your next moiety of the molecule OH CH2 N double bond N OH. Okay. Then after again acidic condition, it pick up the proton and converted into this hydroxy group into good living group. Then we get CH2 NOH2, which is a good living group. This water molecule will be reduced. Next step of your diazotization, we get OH CH2 N double bond triple bond N, which carrying a positive charge. Here this lone pair will be depart and OH2. Okay, this type of the here diazotization take place and formation of their species. Then next step, after the diazotization, next step is formation of carbocation by loss of N2. Then what will be the formation of carbocation? Okay. And third step is rearrangement. Then third step our rearrangement is rearrangement. Here formation of carbocation. Okay. Here this bond will be shift here. rearrangement take place. Then finally we get 6 member of ring which having a positive charge. Okay, this bond will be break. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bond between 1 and 5 will be break. Here new bond formed between 5 and this CH2, 6 member ring. Here having a positive charge which is due to the bond breaking. After that, this is neutralized by bond breaking between the oxygen and hydrogen. Finally, we get cyclic ketone. Here, ring expansion reaction take place. For ring expansion means increase the one more carbon atom than reactant. This is a very important rearrangement. Ask for short note or predict the product. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.